being able to come to China to build this piece that we've designed, collaborating with the WKU students. I thought it would be a really great experience.
去把废弃材料给进行一个创新性的转化和发展，可以让当地的游客感受到用环保材料也能创造出如此大的魅力。
That we are building something and it will stay for over time, that we give it to the people to Dongtou Island, something from us, from our heart, and I hope they enjoy it.
We design as we build as we design. So this workshop is a combined workshop between KeanUniversity and Wenzhou-Kean University. So here we're in direct connection with material, with site, and with people. So we co-design, meaning we work with each other in order to generate a pavilion, art, land art, a type of installation.
I think it's understanding that the world is different. The conditions that we have in New Jersey are going to be different from the conditions that we have in China. And how do you work together to design for those elements?
They are going to be a mixture of American and WKU students, so you can become friends. Woo!
我们组的项目是在海岛旁边建造一个关于隧道式的一个艺术装置。那我负责的部分是用废弃品、塑料瓶建造一个海下废弃花园。
My project, it's called Delta Sunset. Used recycled materials, recycled glass bottles from Dongtou Island for our project.
竹子作为一种再生的材料，可利用度比较高，所以我们采用了这个当做我们主要的材料。
So what we ended up creating were these hammocks, these frames that mimic that shape where the fish were dried out, so that us, ourselves, the people of Dongtou, the visitors, can be a part of that exchange.
So everything is a way of showing how we can work with material that already exists to make work which is new. When we invite international eyes and thinkers to look at Dongtou Island, although we work locally, it's working in a sense with an international dimension.
It's a little difficult because I don't know Chinese or Mandarin, so it's been a little difficult in like communicating with the local people. But with our teammates, it's been good. They speak really good English.
我们来自于不同的国家、不同的文化背景，但是我觉得这同时对于我们的项目来说是一个优势。我们可以将自己的不同的想法在我们艺术设计装置上进行一个打造。
We had a lot of team meetings over Zoom. We did a lot of sketching and talking with each other. And it was interesting for the time differences as well, because it was a little hard in that part.
Teams are kind of half WKU students and half Kean students. So we would have weekly meetings with everybody, so that way everybody would communicate either super late at night, either 8 a.m. for us or 8 p.m. So every American student downloaded WeChat. We were part of we had group text messages.
Often we try to think about collaboration between America, China, and language can sometimes be the barrier. So we can get beyond that when we make something together. And this is a type of cultural exchange over aesthetics, over working process, over ideas.
每场来的同学，他们很有个性。我举个例子，比如说 Thomas， 他听说他要来到中国，他怕他自己有时差，所以他提前2个星期他就在美国，他就已经开始倒时差了。他早上6点钟就开始睡觉了，然后9点就起来。
I think the students here have a lot more kind of clear mindset. They're just very driven. They kind of know what they want to do.
Are we only doing the second one for this one yet again?
We wanted to design something that will be interactive with the local people. I think it will be. It's going to be beautiful.
I'm really looking forward to that day. I want to interact with the locals and see what they think and kind of talk with them. But I think they'll love our project.
Say thank you to everyone.
我们的项目主题是回声之境。
For this project, we were inspired by the landscape, so similar to how our site is being hugged by the mountains.
I feel great. It's great to see everyone here enjoying it and taking pictures, and it's great that the work actually paid off.
It feels really good to finally be done with it. As you can see, it turned out amazing. A lot of people seem to enjoy our project.
Designing from thousands of miles away is quite difficult. I like understanding the land and understanding the people and the environment.
We took the elements that we could find in your island, the fish nets, the ropes, the stones, and all of them were discarded, but we used them to make our pavilion.
Maybe the American students are more outgoing. Chinese are a little bit more shy, but it's okay. I think but at the end we were like, okay, we crossed that barrier, so.
So the achievement of the workshop is really knowing each other in a creative way, making something together. So when we meet, we can have conversation. Language is always a difficulty. When we make something together, we have to know each other in a different way.
Please enjoy this name over here. Its name is Delta Sunset because the sunset's there, and I know Lauren's going to talk about that. But we probably should have called it Tinkerbell too because it tinkles, all right? Okay, Lauren, you're up.
Our installation called Delta Sunset, we tried to achieve all three of those criteria using materials found on Dongtou Island.
When you're building, there's a logic to building. I mean, you're dealing with gravity and you're dealing with materials and lateral forces and anyway, all those things are common to all buildings regardless of what culture you're in. And so solving those problems together, I think, creates a bond.
我想我之后能参与更多的多元化的项目，去了解不同的文化背景，能够更加促进中美文化交流。
We really are like a family, Team 3. We've really grown like a great bond with each other over the past week working on this project. I'm gonna miss them all so much.
And I'm definitely going to take these experiences back home and share them with my friends, and hopefully I can share some of the stories they told me.
今天是我们的 Samantha 的生日，今天是我生日，唱大家祝我生日快乐！谢谢。